What's going on, guys? Trudging up here in the garage with the R6. For today's video, let's go ahead and talk about the seat cover, the Luimoto seat cover that I installed March 2022. So let's go ahead and do a 1-year review on the seat cover. Let's go. The Luimoto seat cover, the diamond stitch, it's got the grips on the side and it's got the carbon fiber around the back. Now, I did do an install video for the seat cover. I did a step-by-step how I did it. The video will be down in the description below if you guys want to see that. If you guys want to visit Luimoto to see what seat covers are available for your motorcycle, I'll put the website down in the description below as well. But as for the one that I installed a year ago, let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. And as you can see, the seat still, in my opinion, still looks exactly the same as when I installed it a year ago. No tears, no scratches, and I ride a lot, so nothing's really changed. Let's go underneath. As you can see, the staples are still where they need to be. Staples are still there. And mind you, they didn't install it, I installed it. Oh, you know what? This staple here on the corner looks like it came up. But I think it's obviously it's kind of more or less my fault because of where I stapled into, but I can easily fix that right there. Everything has stayed exactly where I've stapled it, except for that staple right there, but it hasn't moved the material. So that is nice. I love the way it looks. I mean, look at the blue stitching, blue stitching. It's got the grip as well on the sides, and then it's got the carbon fiber to match the other, carbon fiber pieces on the motorcycle. I personally think it looks a lot better than having the plain black OEM seat, even though the OEM seat is right underneath this seat cover. Now, when I did the install video, it was the first time me trying to install a seat cover onto a motorcycle seat. I've never done it before, and yeah, I think it turned out really good considering that. But they do have a good step-by-step process on their website of how to install it. I think it turned out amazing. I definitely recommend you guys doing it. If you want to change the look of your motorcycle a tiny bit, the seat is awesome. And not only that, you can also get these gold, I think they call it gold gel stuff that you can put underneath your seat, so you can actually make it more comfortable, not only just to change the appearance of the seat, but get more comfort as well. From that, I'll segue into the comfort of the seat. Does it change the comfort of the seat? No, not really. I think there's a tiny bit of a cushion because of the front portion here where there is a bit of a push right there, like there's a tiny bit of comfort. However, you don't really notice that much of a difference in comfort in my opinion. Grip-wise, yes, 100% better than OEM. The grip on the side does help, and it's a lot better than what comes from OEM. The material-wise has held up. There are no tears, there's no scratches. When it comes to the blue threading, I don't see any of the threading coming up or coming loose or anything like that. I don't see a difference. I don't think I see a difference what the seat looks like now and what the seat looked like when I first installed it a year ago. So that's pretty good. That is pretty good quality right there. This is the rear passenger seat. Right now I've got the solo seat cowling on here with the carbon fiber on top of it, but if I wanted to replace it, I wanted to take a lane somewhere, well, there's the suede with the blue stitching, and again, the carbon fiber. It looks nice. Overall, it looks freaking awesome with the passenger seat and the rider's seat. Are there any negatives? Well, I think I'll go back to the negative that I brought up when I first did the video on my initial thoughts of the seat cover. If you're riding in the rain, it does get wet and will stay wet, which is a negative because obviously the OEM seat, you kind of have a towel and you brush the water off and away you go. But this one, because of the suede and the tiny bit of a cushion that's there, it does stay wet for longer than the OEM side. However, Luimoto saw that video and they sent me a rain cover. So this is the rain cover that you can actually put on the seat. So this is the seat cover right here. You can put it on the seat. You leave it on the seat for, let's say you're parked somewhere. You can put it on the seat, leave it on there. If it rains, you know what? The suede part doesn't get wet. If you're washing your bike, you can put this over top of it and have this over top of it as you're washing your bike so the seat, again, doesn't get wet. I only have it for the rider, not the passenger, but there is a rain cover option available. Now, it's not recommended to put this on and ride with it, although I have done it before, and it is a little bit slipperier because you are moving a lot more with the rain cover on. But you know what? It did the job because it was a bit of a downpour and it did the job. The rain cover did the job. Yeah, once the rain stopped, I took it off and put it away. But yeah, you can just shake the water off and put it back into this pouch and away you go. And this pouch can easily fit in your backpack or even your pocket if need be, if you know you're going and it's gonna rain. Alright guys, I've got nothing but positives to be honest with you to say about the cover, other than obviously the getting wet stuff. That's honestly the only negatives I can think of. Everything else is positive. Look great, feel great. Comfort wise, it still feels as comfortable as OEM. It's not better unless you get like the gel inserts that you can put on there, which I guess would be better too, but I decided not to do that. Material wise, the quality is good. It's still the way it was, like I said, as when I installed it. I'll definitely try and do like a year 2 or year 3 review just to see how the material has held up. But so far, so good. Thumbs up on my end. I think the quality of the product is awesome. And Luimoto, if you guys watch this one, yeah, if you guys want me to test things, I got an R6. I guess you guys already know that, but yeah. Definitely recommend this, guys. If you guys want to take a look at what's available for your motorcycle, the Luimoto website will be down in the description below. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Luimoto, seat cover, awesome. I love the way it looks. Makes the bike look so much better. Till the next one, guys.